Hello, my name is Deontay from Destiny Productions LLC. I wanted to make a short video on how to eliminate shadows from a walkthrough video such as this. That's the wrong hand. There we go. I've seen multiple videos talk about color grading and how to eliminate the shadows, but I've seen them in scene to scene, but not a walkthrough in real time, because the sun, as bright as it is, can just shine through a building as you are walking your walkthrough, and it is just giving out different shades of shadow. Because different rooms have different sizes, and that's a whole bunch of science right there. We're not going into it. Let's get to the video. First, what we want to do is to have your lighting the same across the board, and the way to do that is we come down here to new item. We need an adjustment layer. You'll have a drop down, you'll choose adjustment layer that I already have here, and you will just simply drag it and drop it here on top of your video that you're about to edit. This is what gives it the same effect across the board for your video. And we're going to go ahead and start. I'm going to start with blacks, and this is the before, this will be after right there. I'm going to start with the blacks and adjust that going to the left. Not a lot though. Alright, gonna mess with the whites and come up to the right a little bit. Alright, gonna mess with some shadows. We're gonna bring that up so it will eliminate shadows, because that's what we want. Some highlights, not a lot. I'll just leave it right there for right now. Adjust accordingly. We're going to put down your contrast so it can give. I'll just put it down like that. Exposure, you can put some exposure in here if you would like. I'm going to put just a tiny bit in here, like 0.1, and I'm going to see how that works. The lighting is different when the scene transition to her going up the stairs. Because of this, I can cut that specific zone out by pressing C on my MacBook, and it automatically will give me my cut icon, and I just cut that specific zone, and I can click on the adjustment layer itself, and the same way I edit as the previous one. So I'm just gonna mess with the blacks and the whites, bring up some shadows just a little bit. It don't need a lot because it's already lit right there in that area. You can bring some of the highlights up maybe. Come down on the contrast a little bit, not that much. Exposure, we can put it at 1 still. And let's see how that goes into it. it transitioned to upstairs, and it is heavy on the shadows, so we're going to do the same steps, same previous steps. Go start right there in that cut. Mess with the blacks. Going to the left. Whites to the right a little bit. Shadows moving up so we can get rid of them. Let's see how that goes. Let's stop right there, and because the camera is moving around the room, some of the shadows need to be taken out, and I'm gonna start with that. Bring the shadows up some. Maybe bring down a little contrast still. And bring up some exposure a little bit. Let's see how that goes. All right, let's start it from the beginning. Now, one little technique I would like to tell you about. You see how the lighting popped right there before going into the next scene? You can easily make it seamless. I need to learn how to talk. By doing a transition. I'm going to take this cross dissolve and should make it seamless. I cannot say this word. And that will be the video, everyone. If you find this video informative, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because more videos of how-tos will be coming soon. I really appreciate your time. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.